Alright, YouTube family, I am doing another unboxing. This time it is a SLFC new tripod camera clip clamp. So here goes. See this huge box? That's some plastic, and voila, this is the product. And I bought the camera clip clamp to just so I could have additional equipment like lights and external microphones hooked up to my GoPro, or I could hook the GoPro itself in certain spaces. I don't know if you can see that, but let me try. So for instance, I need a shot like right there. I could hook the GoPro onto the clamp. In fact, let me do the test right now. I'll just zoom in a little bit on that for you. Alright, so the edge of the desk wasn't big enough to get a good grip with the clip. So now I'm going to show you. This is a light stand. It's a standing light, and you could mount your GoPro to this. Alright, I'm gonna get it done like so. So then you would put the tripod mount attachment and the GoPro. See, it has the grooves right there for the tripod mount. So then you just screw it to this. And there, then you tighten it, and there you would have your GoPro mounted. Onto a light stand. So you could get a lot of good shots with this. In fact, I think this is probably more useful than the GoPro suction mount, because this can go a lot more places than the suction mount. Let me try it on the computer. Alright, so let's say you want to have the same shot as, well, almost the same shot as you would get with the iMac internal camera. You could just attach a GoPro to the clip mount, and just clip it on your right there, right in front of the camera, and say there you have it. And you have 4K, you have HD, you have all type of resolutions. You have all type of resolutions just from this small clip. It's less than $10, and trust me, the build is strong. You think it would feel flimsy? I think it's metal. Yeah, it's metal. right there is metal, and there's a knob right there to tighten, so it's secure. See, you see the GoPro move from the tripod mount before it moves from here. In fact, it's not moving right from the clip. So yeah, it's very secure, and this is very adjustable. So yeah, I think this will help making blogging easier and getting just a nice default shot. And it's sturdy. I could just leave it right there. Don't have to take it down. Alright, if you want to use the full area of the screen, you just put it up a little bit further. Of course, if you put it more further down, it's going to be more sturdy, but this is pretty sturdy. You have to actually move it for it to fall off. And these rubber grips, they go over the two ends of the clip, so you don't want to scratch up things with the metal. So yeah, definitely, even though I'm just unboxing it, I would definitely recommend it, because it just seems very useful. And not only the GoPro, but you can mount pretty much anything. You could mount your mic, your lights, anything. Anything that uses let's say you have a shoe mount, like light or anything. You just get one of these shoe mount adapters. You get the clip, so you could mount your shoe mount light, your flash. In fact, that would definitely be a nice one to mount on here. Watch this. So you could mount your shoe mount flash to here and clip it pretty much anywhere. Voila, watch out, look at that. And then you just tighten this. You know, the speed light is kinda heavy, so there you go. I didn't tighten this. Alright, let me tighten it. Alright, there you go now. Alright, so you could just mount your speed light. You just mount your speed light to it, to the clip. Let me see if I can. Alright, there. It's pretty friggin' pretty secure. So you could get your flash looking like that, or if you have a thinner adapter, then you could mount it straight up like that. When I mount it like this, it's kind of pointing down, but you see, it still can work. So yeah, it's still functional, still pretty functional like this. So I mean, you can tell it will be a handy tool to have to just carry around with you when you go on photo shoots or video shoots, anything. Oh, let me just make sure you see that. I mean, so it's not going to just drop off. That's about, I think that's it. I don't have anything else. I have nothing else to mount on it except the mic, the external mic that I have on my camera right now. Alright, so there you have it. Clip mount. Usable with your GoPro, your camera lights, your flashes, any other small equipment that has a thread, has threading for a mount, for a standard mount. So yeah, I recommend it.